Find screws.
The door panel is attached to the door with a total of 9 screws. Screw number 1 is located at the top rear end of the panel. Pull out cover and remove screw. The second screw is located under the window switch. Pull out the switch at the back and then pull it backwards. Unplug the switch and remove the screw underneath. Screw number 3 is located under the cover at the inside door handle. Pull out the cover and remove the screw underneath. Screws 4 and 5 are both located under the armrest cover. Pull out the cover and remove the screws underneath. Screw 6 is located fairly centrally under a cover. Seven and 8 are freely accessible at the bottom of the fairing. Remove all screws. The 9th and last screw is located under the reflector. Pull the reflector out to the rear and remove the screw underneath.
Remove door panel.
After all the screws shown previously have been removed, the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, pull the panel firmly and jerkily away from the door. Remember that some clips may break during removal and therefore need to be replaced. Important links, part numbers, tools, etc., as always in the description.
Detaching the inside door handle.
Pull the Bowden cable lock backwards and pull the cable out of the actuation. Unplug the central locking switch.
When reinstalling.
When reinstalling, fit the twisted cable back into the guide. This is the only way the inside door handle work again and the panel can be reinstalled.